Hi, my name's Sophie and I'm going to talk you through my daily skincare routine using Nip+Fab products. The first thing I would use would be the Salicylic Fix, the day pads or the night pads depending on the time of day. It's evening now, so I'm going to use my night pads. So that is my first step. Then just to really clean the face, I will go through with the second product, which again, Salicylic Fix Gel Cleanser. So just pump one pump into my hand, it's more than enough product. The next thing I would go on to would be the facial scrub. I don't use this every day as I feel like my skin doesn't need to be scrubbed every day, but maybe 2 or 3 times a week I would just take a very small pea-sized amount and just rub that across the T-zone, so my nose and my forehead, particularly where I find that I'm quite oily. And then the last products that I would go in with would be just the things to bring that moisture back into my skin, hydrate it, make it feel great. So that would probably be, I would use either the serum or the concentrate, just a few drops all over the face. Gives a nice finish, a nice moisture hit and a good glow. If I'm feeling like my skin is needing a little bit extra moisture, then I would go ahead with some of the Dragon's Blood range. So whether that's the jelly mask and the serum, they're quite a nice combination. So that's my skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed.